Charles Hull invented a kind of 3D printing called stereolithography. First, have a design. You can make your own design with a CAD program like Tinkercad on the internet. Or you can go to Thingiverse and find other people's designs. Then slice your model on a program like Cura. Cura takes a model and slices it into many layers so a 3D printer can print one layer at a time. Third, the nozzle and bed get hot. Finally, plastic is extruded to build your model. Extrusion means to push the plastic through the nozzle. Uses of 3D printing. We can use a 3D printer to make things. 3D printers can print in many different materials, including plastic, nylon, resin, metals, wax, and even food like chocolate. You can print lots of different useful things like hamster playgrounds, bicycle chains, tons of other stuff. Old 3D printers can only print in one color. New 3D printers can print in blue, black, yellow, red, white, and blend the colors to make new ones. We're at the Johnson County Library going to 3D print something that we're going to take a video of. And it's not going to be, and we're going to build it right now.
N-E-D-Y. Okay. Perfect.
And we are 3D printing, and we're going to 3D print this We Love Mrs. Kennedy. First thing we were on was the modeling app, and now we're on at the one that tells the computer up here what to do.
You want to make sure the temperature here is 205 degrees. So click in there.
Okay.
Like it is. Yep. A little more. 205. Awesome. You click on set over there. Now, print bed right here.
So these three those.
So we're waiting for the nozzle to heat up and the bed to heat up?
Yeah.
And what's the nozzle?
That thing.
Okay, and
I
what's
don't want to actually touch it.
Yeah, and what's the bed?
That.
And
All done.
Might be taking a minute or two. This might take a while already.
you want to tell us about what's happening?
It's going down on this like elevator system, and don't forget about what we're 3D printing. But we're only 3D printing this once. We're 3D printing this from Mrs. Kennedy, and this will be done in about an hour. It says "We Love Mrs. Kennedy" with 2 hearts on it, and I'm gonna give it to Mrs. Kennedy, my teacher at school.
How long has it been?
I don't know.
It's been 41 minutes.
41 minutes, about 50.
And we're getting most of the way done.
Yeah. It says "We Love Mrs. Kennedy" on it already. It's pretty cool. The nose is 205 degrees. I think it's going to be really hot. Thanks for watching my video.